Hello there, everybody on YouTube and subscribers. And for today's Blizzard treat is the Mocha Brownie Mudslide. So that's the one I'm going to try. Just gonna scoop like this. And here's what it looks like. So here we go. Gonna give this thing a try. It tastes like mocha coffee and some chocolate brownies mixed with the ice cream. And here's the big chunks of brownie right here. Delicious. A nice perfect treat. So I consider that this flavor appears one of the yummiest flavor that I ever tasted. So yeah. So I highly recommend to try this flavor on this Blizzard treat because it's yummy. And I also heard that DQ brought back the Red Velvet Cake Blizzard for February this year, for Valentine's Day, which I highly recommend that too. So yeah. So anyways, guys, what do you think about this flavor? Let me know what you think in the comments section below. So I might keep an eye out for some more Blizzard treats that they'll come out with. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos that you might be interested in. And thanks for the support, and I'll see you soon in the next videos, and bye for now.